Hey folks, this is Basant here, and today's video I am going to give you a website building tutorial based on the WordPress. And let me tell you, I have used a single toolkit, means I didn't use the 50 plus plugins, different themes or the extension or the blocks. And this is really going to be amazed you because using the one toolkit from the WordPress, I have built this cleaning website here. You can see we have the really good menu option, the user interface neat and clean, and the minimalistic here. If I scroll down till the end, we have all the important aspects, the elements and the blocks that a website needed, especially if you are selling a service or the product. And you can use the same WordPress toolkit that I'm going to show you in the video for building any kind of the website, whether it's for the marketing, blog, product selling, services selling, or you want to just create a one-page website here. This is going to give you all the steps. It has 1000 plus pre-designed website templates available, and you can just within around 30 minutes build this kind of the website. Yes, within the literally 30 minutes I'm going to show you all the steps in this video. Following that, you can build that out. So the toolkit that I have used to build this website here is the Nexter, and it has all the things available in this toolkit, like theme available, the plugins available, the extension, the blocks, and the best part, the starter templates. More than 1000 plus templates available that are pre-designed to build any kind of the website. You can see this is the pre-designed website. If I go to the see all demos, you will find out all these 1000 plus website demos that you can get and installed in your site and start customizing according to your needs or your customized content here. So in this video, let me show you the full process. So first, let me talk about the pricing of this toolkit. This is the Nexter, and if I go to the pricing section, there's also the lifetime deal available. The pricing is the $399, and this is the one-time payment you have to pay. And I know it's a little bit expensive, but if I scroll down below, you can see lifetime support, lifetime plugin theme update, extra blocks, and all the things you are going to see here. If you find the pricing expensive, let me give you the more affordable option. So if I go to the AppSumo, its lifetime deal is also available on the AppSumo, and compared to the $399, the pricing is a lot affordable. Just $49 you have to pay, and you are going to get all the things I have showed you in this $399 pricing. Okay, so just pay the $49. The lifetime deal is given in the description, but here's the catch. This lifetime deal from the AppSumo is going to end within just few days. You can see there's the countdown timer is running on, so make sure you get it within the time. And let me make this deal more sweeter here. I'm also giving out my free bonuses that you can check in the description or pinned comment here. So once you got the lifetime deal, this is the page you are going to log in, and here you can check it out, your Nexter blocks or extension or Nexter Pro, all the license code. So this license code we needed. Now let me start the tutorial and show you how I have built this website within just 30 minutes. Let's get started. You can see this is the Nexter. There's also the free variants available that you can install on your WordPress site. So I'm going to show you from the scratch. I have installed the WordPress on this fresh new website. You can see this website just I have installed neat and clean on the WordPress, and even it has don't any plugins here. You can see there is the no plugin available. So we are going to get starting from the installing the theme. So right now I'm going to the appearance. In the themes, I have to find out that theme that is the Nexter here. Okay, so let me search the Nexter and install it here. This theme has the free variant available, or what I can show, you can install it absolutely free here. So while it is installing, we need also the 2 more plugins. Yes, just the 2 more plugins to use the Nexter for our WordPress website designing absolutely free. Okay, so my website theme is just installed. I have activated, and right now you can see this is just activated. And after that, once you install the theme, it will suggest you to install its extension. So we are going to install its extension. This extension lets you build the website using the Gutenberg. Okay, so I'm just activating the plugin that will be for the Nexter extension here. You can see now one more plugin we needed. This is just the end here. Okay, one more plugin. So I'm installing it right now. This is the Nexter block. Okay, it is going to give you all the Gutenberg blocks that you can use while designing your website, whether it's header, footer, everything. Okay, so I'm just installing it here, and everything is done here. So this is the 3 resources. In this environment, you can install to start building your website. Okay, so let me also activate here. So with this you are getting the enough things to design the website, but if you want the premium things, you need to upgrade to the its pro version. You can see upgrade to the pro, but you can also use it as the free here because they are the limited elements available. For example, if I go to the blogs, if I go to the dashboard here, you can see some of the blogs will not be available under the free variant. Okay, you need to install to pro version. Okay, if I check here, use the WordPress blogs, continue, you can see these blogs need to be its pro variant. So what I am going to do, I am going to just get its pro version. So you can see this is the pro version I have actually bought from the Nexter, in which I am getting the its pro version of the blogs, and the extension I have to simply download and activate using my license key. So I am going to do that, and there's also the free other plugins available that is also beneficial. For example, if you want the design kit built in your WordPress dashboard, you can install its W design kit plugin. There's also the Uchemi. Okay, so with this what you can do, you can turn your Figma designs into the full-fledged WordPress site designs here. So these two plugins what I suggest you can also download. I have also showed you the WordPress theme that we have downloaded. So in the next part I am going to install the pro versions in my site, so I can access all these pro elements or the blogs building my website. Okay, so I'm going to do that. Just give me the few minutes. So I have just installed all the pro versions of the plugins, and I have activated as well. You can see this is the pro blocks and this is pro elements. Including that, I have also installed this plugin, that is the design kit. It is going to give me the templates, the patterns, the all the stuffs we can instantly use to creating the website. Okay, after using this we can deactivate this plugin and delete. So this plugin we are not going to count here. So right now we have all the important elements or the weapons to designing our website, and here's the tutorial start. We are going to go here on the W design kit, and here we can see that we have the 1000+ templates available. Okay, and because we have just installed the Nexter Pro block, so I'm going to select first of all Nexter Pro block here. So you can see Nexter Pro block, I have selected that, and now it is going to show me all the design kits or the templates that I can use here. Okay, then after that I'm going to also use the pro version. Okay, so it will show me now all the premium templates. Now let me select the page builder, that is basically the Gutenberg. Nexter basically works on the Gutenberg, and all the templates you are watching right now here will work on the Gutenberg as well as the Elementor, but we are just checking out the pro variant. So what I like it about the W design kit here is that including the pro version of the blocks here, I am getting all these templates absolutely free, including to use on my website. So right now I am going to install this. Let me see which is the template. Yeah, I am going to install this template. If you remember, I have just created the website based on the cleaning, so I'm going to use this one. Simply click here on the download. It has the 1000+ templates available that you can just go on in the preview, or you can also search from here to find out your desired one which you want to use for your business or your brand. So I'm right now installing this one. So simply click here, and it has around the 16 pages or available here, including the home page, contacts us, about us, all this stuff. Okay, so I will simply select all and click here on the download. So it will install downloading. Okay, I have also needed to contact form, because might be possible in this template a contact form is available. To use or build that contact form, I need this contact form plugin. So I will install this one because this plugin is super lightweight, and it's only work to designing or implementing the forms in your website. Okay, it is installed. Click here on the next. Okay, and right now you can see this is all the page based. This is for the theme builder, and this is for the theme builder. There's also the header and the footer included. So all this stuff we needed to in our website, including pages, the header, the footer, will be added in this template kit here. So simply click here on the import and it will start importing. You have to just do that. Now sit back and relax until the importing is done. It will took around something like the 5 or 6 minutes. If it is taking more than 10 minutes, what I say, you have to click here on the close, and whatever the page is remaining to import, simply select that page. For example, home page usually takes more time to import, so simply close from here, select only the home page and re-import. The problem will be solved. So it's been around something like the 3 minutes and most of the pages are imported, including the header and the footer. You can see 14 out of 16 is imported and only the 2 pages are taking more times here. Okay, so it can be more time, around the 10 minutes. So what I tell you, okay, suppose the 10 minutes is gone and still it is loading here and you don't want to wait more. So what you can do, you can check out whether these pages are the previewing or not. So I am previewing any one page, so let me see. Yeah, this page is loading good here, means all the pages that is showing right now is done importing. So I will simply close this one, but before that let me tell you, the home page and the about us page is still importing, so I don't want to wait more. So simply close this one, and what I am going to do right now, simply unselect, and I am going to find out the about page and home page and separately import them. For example, this is the about page and this is the home page. Okay, so this is only 2 pages was remaining, so I have selected that and click here again on the download. Yes, import. So I am separately importing these 2 pages, because most of the times what is I have seen here, that importing the tons of pages at once might be take a lot more time to its plugin to understand and give you the extra time to importing. That's why that issue you will face here. But if you are going to import the delaying pages separately, you will find the fast loading or the importing here. So right now you can see my one page has imported. Let me preview it whether the about us page is actually imported or not. Yeah, it is imported, you can see here. Okay, so I have only one page remaining, that is the home page. So I have to wait, I think 1 or 2 minutes again. If the issue is still persisting after the 3 or 5 minutes, I am going to do the same, going to only select the home page and import separately. Yeah, so my all the pages are imported here. So right now if I load my website here, for example, let me go to the my home page here. After importing the template kit, you can see the website is still loading something like the empty. You can see this is not the fully built here, so we have to do few things manually. So let me show you what the things we have to do after importing the template kit. So we have to go to the settings. In the reading, we have to locate the home page and the blog page. Okay, so right now it's on your latest post, so I'm going to go to the static page, and here I have to select the home page for the home page, and for the post pages I have to select the blog listing here. Okay, then after that simply click here on the save changes, and now your home page will be the start loading out. Let me refresh the my home page and see if the things is now working or not. Yeah, you can see my home page is loading like a charm. So this is how the template kit will work. Still you need the few things, I'm going to show you all of them. Okay, no worries. So let me first accept here or close this one. Yeah, this is closed. So we have all this stuff. This is the home page 1, and there's also the home page 2 available. This is how this home page 2, okay, it is not loading because you can see all the menu option I am showing you right now is not clickable. Okay, so this is the next thing you have to do. You have to locate the home page with the your menu option. So that back to the our backend of the dashboard. This time we are going to go on the appearance on the menu here. So we have to locate and build the menu again. So you can see this is all the menu. So we are going to only going to remain the menu options which we want to show on the home page here. So I'm going to remove all the extra things, like this is just the home page, so simply I'm going to make it the home. This is for the blog. I want to remove the 404 page from the menu, so I have removed that. This is the about section, this I want to remove. Okay, so let me remove. This is the contact us, so I'm going to just make the contact. The pricing I want to stay remain, so this will be the remain. The service listing, okay, I want to stay remain. This is the service listing page, so let me make it the service here, okay. And this is the single member, so I want to remove that. The single service page I want to also remove that. I want to include it the team members, so I will just make it the theme here, okay. So this is built. Now click here on the create menu. So my menu is built here. I have now neat and clean, okay. So this is the menu I have created. Let me also make it as the display location to the primary, so same menu. So right now you have built your menu neat and clean. Now you have to link with your home page menu. So we have to go to the this Nexter extension and the theme builder, okay. So in the theme builder we will find out the header and the footer that is the implemented from the template kit. So this is the header here, we need to edit it, okay. So we have to just few things to do here. So simply click here on the edit, and now from there I have to replace the default to the menu we have just created, okay. So let me close this one, and this is the menu, okay. So I have selected, and now from here I have to select that menu we have just created here. So let me find out that menu option. So this is the style, this is the layout. Let me select again layout. No, I have to go to the flex property extra. Let me see. Yeah, you can see I have selected the menu here, and I have to select this WordPress menu, okay. And the menu we have created is the menu 1, and that's all. You have to find, locate, and you have to save the thing here. Now your menu is built and will be start showing out on your home screen here. Let me refresh the page again, and let's see. Yeah, you can see this is the home page, and this is the blog. If I click here on the blog, now the blog page is showing out, okay. But still, let me tell you, this menu is not that much of the in the good layout. You can see the theme is showing here on the below that. So we need to make it layout a little bit more good here. So simply I am going to click here on the again on the menu, and this time I am going to the layout, okay. So in the styling main menu, you can see this is the 70. So I'm going to make it the around 10 here. This will make it here. So now I will also make it a little bit space on the left side, yeah, and click on the save. And once these settings are saved, let me go to the home page, refresh the page, and now you will see the menu is more in the good layout here, okay. So this is the survey page. Yeah, this survey page is loading here. This is the home page. So this is how my website home page is loading, okay. Yeah, so let me close this one. This is pretty much irritating. No worries, we can also remove this one thing, okay. So let me close this one and scroll down below. Everything is loading good and fine, okay. Let me close this one again. This is all the article. This is the my footer. So here on the footer you will also find the different links here. So same thing you can do with the footer. You have to go back to the your WordPress dashboard, okay, and after that you have to go to the appearance. Here in the menu you have to go, and this time we need to create the footer here, okay. So we have to create a new menu. So I am creating a new menu, and this menu I am going to name it as the footer. So simply name it as the footer here, and after that let me go to the pages, view all, and in the footer all the things I want to show, like I want to show the about, okay. It is not live now, I don't know why, okay. This is goes for the footer and the location create menu, okay. First I need to create the menu here, okay. So I have created, and then after that it will be the start showing up. So in the footer I want to show the service, team, pricing, or the single member, and add the menu. It will be the added here, and after that I have to save the menu, get back to the here again on the first. Let me save the menu here, okay. And I have to get back to the extension theme builder, and this time I have to go to the footer here. So this is the footer section, and I have to click on the edit, and again same, I have to locate that footer we have just created, and it will be the start appearing up here, okay. So now let me show you how you can customize your home page or the all the pages you are seeing right now here, because till now we have just installed the theme, we have installed the important plugin including the pro variants, we have just imported all the important templates and the pages, the header, the footer and the settings here. But now we need to customize this so it will more appealing to our brand or the service here. So right now I am on the home page. So once you are on the home page, simply click here on the edit page, or you can go to the backend, go to the pages. Here you will find out the home page, the blog page, all the pages here. So this is the home page. Either you click from the front end on this edit page, or on the pages you click here on the edit page, you will go on the same page of the customization. So I am just giving you the walkthrough how you can customize your page, how you can select the element, how you can change the text, images, all this stuff. Okay, so once the page is loaded, I am going to show you that thing as well. So right now you can see some of the blocks will show up the attempt recovery, because there will be the no loading of the fully page. Now page is loading and the attempt recovery, that prompt is gone here, no worries. Now I want to change the text from here, so simply select this element and click. Now you can change the text here. So simply select element, and after that when you click here on the layout, you can see we have all the things to change it. Select here, and this is for the cleaning services. So I'm going to make it the cleaning home. Okay, and now you can see this home is added here. Same thing I can do with this other text here, that goes above, that will go above. So that's will how. Now if I select on the image, from here I can replace the image. Same thing I can do with this image here. I can just select and I can replace here. Now I want to just change this heading here. Simply select this one, our prime services. So boom, that's how you are just customizing and editing the template we have installed. Suppose you want to change the background color of this block here. So simply select the block, and after that you will find out in the style there's the background color you can change. So simply if I click here, this is the background color, and if I make it a little bit other colors, it will be changing live in front of you. So that's how you will also change the color. So let me tell you in the simple words, you have to simply select that element or the block you want to customize. Then after that, on the right side in the layout, you will find out all the layout settings. In the style, you will find out all the background color, the text color, the font size, all things you can change it here. In the advanced things, you will find out the layout margins and the paddings that will give the extra spaces or remove the spaces from here. Suppose you want to add a different block here. Okay, so what you can do is simply click here on the plus icon. Okay, you want to add a new block here, so you can see this is the plus icon, it will appear. So simply click here on the plus icon, click here on the container, and make sure you always add a container here. So in the container, it can be available in the 2 containers or the 3 or the 4. So simply you can select how many containers you want. I want simply 1, so I have selected this 1 container. Now again I have to click here on the either this plus icon or this plus icon. So I'm clicking here, and now it will show up all the blocks that we have available that we can add here. Okay, so this is all the blocks. Okay, let me click here on the browse all. Let me close this one, click here, search. I don't want to, while writing you press insert the new blocks. Okay, yeah, this is all the blocks will be show up here. So I don't want to press this one. So this is the first. I don't know why the blocks is not showing well here. I think I need to activate the blocks here. So I'm going to go back on here. I need to manually enable the blocks. I think this issue you might also face. So how you can remove that thing is also help you out. So I will go here on the Nexter blocks on the dashboard, and here I need to activate all these blocks. You can see there are the around 136 blocks available, but I need to enable them here. Okay, so let me go to the blocks. This is all the, you can see this is all the block. So I need to simply enable them. You can see I am enabling this blocks here. So let me find out all the blocks that are disabled. I am enabling them here. Okay, activating. Yeah, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, so I think these blocks are enough for me. So now I'm going to go back here again, click here on the edit page, and this time the blocks I have activated will be the available for using. Okay, so that's how you are going to use the blocks on the pages for the customizing or adding the new things on your design or the layout here. Okay, so I will first let me load the page fully here. Okay, so it can take few seconds to fully loading the page loader here, page builder, sorry, this is the page builder, not the page loader. So this is the page builder loaded here. Now again click here on the plus icon, and this time I am browse all. Okay, click here on the this, and now this is all the blocks available start showing up. Cancel, Nexter, this is for the global presets, and the colors you can change. Container I want to add, suppose simply drag and drop this container wherever you want to add. Okay, so I am adding it right now here. Okay, this is the container I have added, and now let me close this one. There's also the templates you can import. For example, this home page you are not liking it, so simply click here on the import, and now it will show up all the 1000+ templates. Okay, it is asking me to log in here. Yes, you need to log in here because it is from the Nexter as well environment, but you need to log in so it can identify that you are the authentic person here. No worries, we can just log in and get started. So let me click here on the leave. Okay, I have already created an account, so simply I have to log in using my Google account here. So this is the account I have used. Okay, so I am logging it. So yeah, it's login. So I have to go to the here, and I have to go to the design elements. Yeah, manage license, activate license. Okay, not activate. Yeah, license is activated, although, but I don't know why it is just not showing me. Templates feature is disabled on the settings. Let me go to the settings here, and let me see what's the issue I'm facing it right now here. Manage, activate. So I'm going to remove it, this one, and I will reactivate it again. Okay, because we have the our pro version of the Nexter block, so it will be the automatically apply the key to activate the W design here. Okay, so now it is activated, and now I can check out all the templates here. Okay, so I have to go to the back again on the page I am working on, and there I can find out all these templates. So I can just go to the page kits or the full pages, and I can replace my home page, service page, or the blog page from here to replace that one. So that is how much easy. You don't need to do it from the scratch again, and that is the what the website designers, which are the professional or the expert, hide from you. They are using the page builders already built templates or the your kits of the pages here to do that. Okay, so this is how you can done that. And let me go to my home page again, refresh. So all the things I have designed right now will be start appearing up here. So that is how you are going to design your pages one by one. Okay, and from home page to service page to blog page, you're ready. So this is the Nexter. You don't need the 50+ plugins. Just install the environment, including the theme, including the plugins. That is just the 2 more extra plugins, that is the blocks and the extension. In the free version you have the limited blocks and the extension available. That is why you needed it's a pro version. Okay, so in the pro version you can able to access all this stuff, and there's also the templates available. That is from the design kit, and let me tell you, including design kit pricing is the $299 lifetime. But if you are going to get the Nexter Pro, most of the templates that I have showed you in the design kit, you can use it including under the Nexter Pro blocks plugin. Okay, So that is the good part here. So there's also the lifetime deals available that I am able to get it about the Nexter Pro, including all the extension, theme, or the blocks I have showed you right now here. Okay, so now one thing is only remaining, the website I have created. I want to show you what is actual speed of this website. So once your customization and website building is done, go to the GT metrics here. Okay, so I'm going to do the retest. So simply click here on the retest here, and now after that you have to paste the URL and you have to wait until this job is done here. Okay, and after that I will show you what is the performance, and you can see I got the 93 performance, same as I have showed you on the starting of this video. I got the A. I have the largest content piece loading less than or around the 1 second here. So this is the power of Nexter environment for the WordPress. You can install, get rid of the 50 plus plugins, add-ons, extension, blocks, other stuff. Just install this environment and you are happy to go with. I just link or pin the comment of this Nexter lifetime deal. Just check that from there. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.